All right, let's open up this handmade piercing jewelry. Now, this product was not sent to me by the company. I actually ordered this myself, and inside of this little case is a little handmade piece of jewelry. I like that this is actually like reusable, but essentially this is made. Each one of these would go through a certain piercing on your body, if you know what I mean, you know, in the chest area. And it's basically designed so that this can swing around your neck, and you've kind of got like this necklace hanging down, and then these are, you know, of course, on the nipples. So that is essentially what you get in this box. Everything's all together. You just screw your little caps off, put this on, run it however you want, and you're all set. So that'll do it for this little piercing jewelry that's handmade by WOSEXYMEN. Again, the company did not send this to me. I bought this myself, but that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.